So I'm making this plant holder. I can't be over here, like, because my feet are...
I'm mopping.
I know, but I'll just stand on this side. Okay, you guys, so I'm making this plant holder for right here. I want to hang a plant holder. This is what I want. I saw it on Pinterest. And it's kind of, you guys, shh, I'm vlogging. It's kind of hard to make. Well, I mean, it's kind of easy to make, but I just, like, I don't want to spend any money, so I'm just going to kind of use what I have. So anyways, I thought that you guys would like to see how I'm going to do that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I cut up 8 pieces of string. Here's 1, 2. Okay, guys, so I have 6 sets of 2 strings cut that long. Like, it's pretty long. But I don't know, like, I was thinking I need...
Show me.
Shut up. I was thinking I need something black, since the theme kind of in the kitchen now is black and white and brown, like tan. I was thinking I need like something black, like something like this. Look at, like maybe a napkin holder or something. Like, you know the thing that holds the fancy napkins, Faith?
I don't know where that is. I think you threw it away.
No, like a circle thing. Faith, you're so annoying.
I need to see my face.
By the way, you guys, that is up because I painted it in here and I just left it up. I haven't took it down. Anyways, what can I use? Let's think, Faith.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
I want like something, look, come here.
I can't, you mopped the floor.
I didn't mop.
Someone mopped the floor. It smells like doo-doo. I need to take a shower.
I don't know, like a circle, like a ring, like a black ring. Oh, really? You're gonna be that weirdo who?
Why look ugly?
You guys, this is what I deal with. Like, what is wrong?
Why do you need a black ring?
I just think it'll look more
There's
like...
no point.
I just think it'll look like more expensive.
I think I have something.
Oh, cool. See, even though like she's a weirdo, that's why I asked her.
But it's not black.
Okay, let me see it. This is perfect. Even though it's not black, it's perfect. Okay. So help me figure this out, Faith. I won't show you. I'll just show you. Okay. So now I'm going to evenly put these all together, like all the ends. I want it to be about this long. Here, can you hold the camera? That way. Okay, so it's going to be holding right here on the top. Try not to show my nips, please. Okay, so I want it to be like this long. So it's going to be like right here. Okay. I don't know. Like, I have no idea what I'm doing. It's so hard to follow this thing. Okay, so now it says to tie it at the bottom, but I want it to be hanging, so I'm just gonna tie it right here. YOLO. YOLO, guys. YOLO. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this just because I want it to look rustic and old, and I really like that, and I don't want to spend any money on this project.
No, but look.
I know, but mine's is gonna be different. It's not gonna be like that. Mine is gonna be sticking down. Does that make any sense?
No.
I bought this at Michael's, by the way. I think it was $5, so it's $9.99 and 50% off. Okay, so now we're gonna put this here. And we're gonna separate it. So put 2 here. Okay. Faith is only here because she likes doing projects. How, Faith, or else you would leave?
I want to leave right now. I need to shower. I don't like how I smell. I smell like a potato.
Like a wet potato? Have you ever smelled wet potatoes? Oh, this is the bottom. I hate the way wet potatoes smell. They're so gross. So we'll put this in a little bun.
Ew.
What's wrong with me putting it in a little bun, Faith?
Looks like spaghetti.
It makes me wonder if this should be on the top of that. Does that make sense? Like, would that look better, Faith?
I only have one, okay?
Where did you get this from? And why do you have the weirdest stuff?
From my shoe.
From your shoe, Froze?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm thinking like just so it could be more sturdy. Maybe that's what this is meant for. Okay, look. Oh, my coffee. I don't want it to fall on my coffee. Let me take a drink. Okay, so now we're just gonna...
Is that pizza rotten now?
It's No, we just took it out this morning.
Oh.
Wait, what's this? What's happening here? Oh, that's another one. Okay, so that's...
Guess what?
What?
My tray was rotten.
What do you mean?
It smelled like so bad, like the worst fart in the world.
Did you eat it?
No.
Why should you take it back?
Oh, too late.
You threw it away all angry?
It was only 79 cents, Mom.
That's a lot of money for, you know, that's money still.
I could find 79 cents on the floor.
On the couch?
On the couch.
You know, before, when I used to watch TV, they used to have commercials about kids that are starving, like in Africa and stuff. And I remember one time I was watching it and I was like, man, I was so worried about these kids. And I was like, they're like for just 59 cents a day. So I signed up for it because I thought I could find 59 cents a day on the couch. It was so funny because I was only able to find it for like 2 days. But, you know, I grew up with no money, so.
Mama, do I have to record this? I could be looking for food.
Well, you should have ate your hash browns that I made you.
I can't eat hash browns.
I don't know why you don't just convert to veganism.
I'm not gonna be vegan.
Okay, so.
I wish I could cook for myself.
Why don't you?
Because I don't know how.
Well, I'll teach you. Okay, so how does that look so far?
I don't know. I can't tell. This is blurry.
Well, fix it.
I don't know how.
Oh my God, Faith, if you recorded me blurry footage, what the hell is the point? So now I'm gonna grab these guys, separate them, and then I'm gonna grab this one, separate. Let me see, Faith, move back. This is not easy as I thought it was gonna be. And then
can I just like move the camera right here?
No, because you're showing nipples.
Where? Maybe you should wear a bra.
Well, I didn't know I was going to be filming right now this. I just, you know, I'm spontaneous. I just go with the mother effing flow. Okay, so now we have that side. And now this side is going to be...
Okay, can I just leave it right here then?
Same thing. No, just hold it real fast.
I'm literally recording you do the same thing over and over again.
No, I'm not gonna show that. I'm not gonna bore people with me doing the same thing over and over. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna do this all around. The same thing. We're gonna get 2 and 2. Okay. Sorry, Faith is being such a little pest. Have you ever seen the movie The Pest? It's so annoying.
No, I haven't.
Oh my God, this is not easy. Okay. So now you're just gonna do that all around. Okay, you could stop now, baby.
Finally.
All right, you guys, so now that I tied this all around, it's hard to see with this bottom. Don't worry about if this is messed up because I think, again, I've never done this before, but I think that I could just untie this and readjust it. That's my plan. Anyways, okay, so now that this is all like done all around, let me just kind of show you. See how pretty that looks? They're pretty even for the most part. Now we're gonna do that on the next layer. So let me see. So like these 2 knots, I'm gonna grab one from here, just one, and then I'm gonna grab one from here, and I'm gonna do the same method all around there. So I'm gonna tie these 2 together. But except I'm gonna do these a little bit closer, just because I want you to be able to see that, if that makes any sense. And you kind of want to make sure to kind of keep it as even as possible. It's not really that easy, I'll be honest with you guys, but again, we can figure this out. Okay, so look at that. Look how cool. That look already looks really dope, if you ask me. Look at that. So now I'm going to do that all around. I'm going to do it on a time lapse though, so that way you guys can kind of get the picture. I've always wanted one. I'm like, every time I go to Ross, I'm always looking for one, and I could never like find one that I like because they're too zsa-zsa for my style. I'm like super plain, and I'm just like, and on top of that, like they're expensive, you guys. Like this will, I could easily like charge somebody $14 for this. I could see why they're expensive, because they're time consuming. So yeah, I mean, I could totally see, but I don't know why. I think I might like start selling these. I'm enjoying doing this. Yeah, isn't this fun?
It's gonna take you all day though.
And
you're not gonna clean for us.
Well, I mean, just picture like if I have a job.
Mom, well, you really don't.
Oh my God.
Can't see.
That is so freaking pretty, you guys. And it's actually even perfect like that. Like I'm good with that on the bottom. You guys, how cute is that? That is so cute. So my plan now,
okay, thank goodness,
is thank goodness. My plan now is to hang like a couple more, like maybe 3 more, and make them exactly the same. So, but instead of doing a plant, like I'm thinking of doing like some kind of herbs, like basil and thyme. You know, I don't know why. I think that's what the route I'm gonna go.
I get it how I live it. Wait a minute. I live it how I get it.
I hated that. That was like exercise. Oh, you're not supposed to exercise at Chuck E. Cheese?
I pull it with a lemon. Wait a minute. Not 'cause she ain't living. It's just your eyes get acidic.